Good afternoon, everyone. Philip coming to you from Living Life in the Smokies. I'm downtown Knoxville right now on Henley Street. Sorry about the roads, gonna be a little bumpy here. The downtown roads are always that way, it seems like, the city streets. But yeah, just driving downtown here, be crossing the Tennessee River here in just a second, over the bridge here. Hope everyone's doing good, having an awesome day. Hope everyone's healthy and stay that way. But yeah, from this bridge right here, you can see where the Tennessee Vols play the football games at, but I can't sit on my camera right now since I'm heading this direction. But you see how easy it is driving around through here, not much traffic. The games are always easy to get to. So here, we're going to come down here. There's easy parking. There's parking lots all over the place, or parking garages. It's probably one of the most easiest cities around that you go to a Vols football game or basketball game and get in and get to parking safely. But yeah, we're coming to you from the Great Smoky Mountains. There's Rush's Music. I didn't know that place was there, and I drive by here all the time. I'll have to go and check that out. I like playing music. But now we're just switched over to Chapman Highway here. We'll be on this road here for about 7.5 miles, and then we'll switch over to Simpson Road. Got Mr. Bojangles Chicken. I don't know if you're driving Bojangles. It's kind of comparable to that Louisiana chicken they always have. I'm trying to think of it. It ain't Zaxby's, but the one has that Louisiana Sun Tea commercials chicken on there. I can't even think of it. I'm sorry, but I just want to say, if you get a Bojangles chicken, that's probably one of the best chicken places around, even better than KFC, I believe. It's got a little bit of a spice to it, a little bit of a kick. But I tell you what, they got some good biscuits, good tasting food. So if you ever see a Bojangles around, at least try it. Give it one try. The food's always fresh when you go there. The chicken's always good, tender and juicy. And they got really good crust on their chicken. They got good coleslaw, mashed potatoes and gravy, potato wedges and things like that, just like KFC does. But I prefer that over most of the chicken places. Popeyes, that's the one I was thinking of. Popeyes is okay. Everybody knows about those, but their po' boy sandwich. But I still prefer Bojangles over it. It just seems fresher and has a better, tenderer taste to it. There's a grill and sushi buffet. I don't even know if they're in business though. There's the Goodwill and the Carm stores. Carm is just like Goodwill. And you got your neighborhood Ace Hardware. Captain D's. I like Captain D's, but you know I prefer Long John Silver's tartar sauce and the beer battered chicken there at Long John Silver's too. And then you got your Buddy's Barbecue. You got the new location there in Sevierville. Haven't tried it yet, but a lot of people says it's really good. It's starting to become a chain restaurant now. But it's a local restaurant here in Knoxville and Tennessee here. And you got your Sonic up here. And don't forget the Knoxville Zoo, they got the Dawn of the Dinosaurs going on right now. At the southern side up there. But yeah, if you're ever over here, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area, go to the Knoxville Zoo, you'd really like it. But back here where the dinosaurs are at, it's like walking back in a wooded pathway. Kind of reminds us, it's like really tropical looking back there, like somewhere in Orlando or Florida Keys. Kind of neat to check it out. I think everybody would love the zoo there in that area. And if you come down to the Smokies, don't see a bear, definitely go to Zoo Knoxville, because they got bears there as soon as you walk in the front doors of the gates there. They got bears right there, right in the front. Pretty neat exhibit anyway. And if you come on a hot day, they got a nice water park inside of there that the kids can get into, or even adults get into, and get sprayed off a little bit and get wet. Cool yourself down. And they got some good eating places in there. A lot of your zoos don't have the basic stuff, but this one here's got sushi and stir fry and Japanese, Chinese, and they got your hamburgers and hot dogs and things like that too. And chicken. But they got a little bit more to choose from there. There's Basement Records there, another music shop. But you're in Tennessee, so music's a big thing down here, and records and music and guitars and CDs, tapes. As you can tell, Chapman Highway is a little bit busier as you go down this way. But this Chapman Highway will take you into Sevierville too, right here from downtown. So if the interstate's backed up, you can get off downtown here and take Chapman Highway here, 441 all the way into Sevierville, Pigeon Forge. I used to take that way a lot just for the scenic route, because as you come into here, there's a lot of little mom and pop stores and restaurants you can go into, and antique dealerships. Not dealerships, but dealers anyway. As you say on the text message, LOL. But yeah, it's going to be 96 degrees today. It's going to be a hot one, but no humidity. That's a good thing. It's going to be hot, but not sticky. Car Depot Auto Sales. Ice cream shop. That's all it's called, ice cream shop. Lakeview Motel. I think it's more of an apartment motel now. There's a buy here, pay here car lot. There's another one right there. There's a lot of buy here, pay here's on this highway here. And it looks like a lot of them sell decent cars at those. Newer. See a few of them back there says $250 down, $550 down. So the down payments ain't that bad. And it said low weekly payments on them. What to do this weekend too. Got a weekend here, not got anything on the agenda, so trying to figure out what we can do to make a couple videos for the weekend. Thought about going to Chattanooga, but kind of like I hate to go to the Chattanooga Zoo when it's 95 degrees. I can do it around 88 or something, but 95 is really pushing it. Walking around out in that sun. I don't know if they got a little bit of a water park in their zoo or not. Haven't been to it yet. But I like visiting other city zoos. I know we went last year to the St. Louis Zoo, and to me that's my favorite zoo of all of them that I've been to so far. St. Louis, it's big, and it takes all day to do it. And that's, if you're moving kind of at a fast pace, kind of, I mean, you almost need 2 days in that zoo to get around it. They offer some rides and stuff you can get on. Ride different rides and train rides and things you can do in that one. Now, Zoo Knoxville, they got a train, but it's just a small kiddie train is all it is. That's honestly maybe that one in Nashville's about the only two I know of that don't have a train that takes you all the way around the zoo. Highway still. But yeah, it's a beautiful area driving back there. Traffic usually flows pretty good. Got set go here. Passes to the 315. It was around 282 there.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Simpson Road.
There in front of Lowe's. It's running about 282 a gallon. Some of these Outer Banks are about 315, but normally it's been running about 2.99 a gallon or so. They are doing a little bit of road construction down through here, but it ain't backing up any traffic or anything. They're still keeping the double lanes open here. Bridgeways in, overpasses. But the good thing, like I said, is keeping traffic flowing. Sorry if the sun's too bright on the TV screen there for you, but I like my sunny bright days. It all depends if it's ricocheting off my dashboard or not. Get ready to turn right here.
Simpson Road. Then turn right onto Music Way.
This is going to be kind of a little bumpy road I'm turning onto. Oh, they ain't got the road blocked here. Ah, looks like we're good.
Turn right onto Music Way. Then turn left.
Steep little driveway here. But that's what we try to do in this channel too. We bring you the back roads of Tennessee and Knoxville area, and try to show you different ways to get into Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg.
Arrive at 285 Music Way.
Exit 407.
Turn left.
Maybe we'll see a bear up here as we're driving up this little road. I about guarantee we will. Let's see if we can see any here. Oh Lord, I think I see a big brown bear. Standing up here in the middle of the road. I see him. You see him? Wow. That's a pretty bear. But that's about it for today, guys. I'll come back to you here shortly and bring you another video here. Until next time here, watch out for my next video. Y'all have a blessed day, and thanks for watching. As we finish out the drive here. Sorry about the fake bear, but it was kind of pretty there. I ain't gonna say we're gonna see an alien this time as we're driving back. It's bumpy though. But please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll bring you a lot more content like this coming to you. And like I said, I've been doing different things in the area of eating, shopping, dining, activities, amusement parks of Dollywood. We're gonna be doing Parrot Mountain here pretty soon. Got his dog barking at us here. Private property. You're under surveillance. Security. Let's just go on through.
Arrived.
Nice home.